Hello again. Welcome to the second session in our training, in which I'll be introducing basic concepts and graphic conventions in SEM. Specifically, the content of this session will cover key terms, vocabulary, and graphical depiction of models. Do not worry if the previous session left you feeling as if I was talking Greek. This is understandable. Learning SEM is a bit like learning a foreign language, and I hope that by the end of this session you will feel more comfortable with the vocabulary and the visual representation of models. I will begin with a few explanations concerning the vocabulary. Recall how we talked about abstract concepts in management theories. In the mathematical language of SEM, the concepts are referred to as constructs because they are nominally constructed of a number of variables. Constructs are also called latent constructs or unobservable variables because they are not directly measured, but rather come about as a result of joint influence of multiple variables. Here is an example of construct with one indicator, and here is an example of a construct with four observed variables, or four indicators. What we do measure are the observed variables, also known as manifest or indicator variables, and these include data collected from respondents. Let me show you the example you already recognize. Our construct satisfaction is measured with four variables, four questionnaire items, and you will see that the first item, variable 1, corresponds to the indicator variable on satisfaction. Please note that the arrows which link constructs with observed variables, or the indicators, point from the construct to the indicator. This is because in SEM we assume that the indicator reflects the construct and that the construct causes the measured variable. Let me give you an example. Consider a construct stress. Stress may cause high blood pressure, respiration, nervousness, frigidity, etc., all of which may be caused by stress or are a reflection of it. In our case, the construct job satisfaction causes one to have a sense of accomplishment or feeling that they are doing something worthwhile. Of course, neither the high blood pressure or nervousness fully reflects stress, nor does the feeling of accomplishment or doing something worthwhile truly reflect job satisfaction. That difference between construct and its indicator is referred to as error. Error is a result of the inability of the latent construct to fully explain indicator. For example, there will always be a difference between somebody's true job satisfaction and their answer to a statement, "My work gives me a sense of accomplishment." This error is depicted in models as a small circle above the indicator. Let's pause here briefly before we move on to the next topic, depicting complete models. See you shortly. Bye.